A sinusoidal waveform has a frequency of 65 Hz. How long does it take to complete 500 cycles? Again, we're supposed to always write everything what is given. The frequency is given, 65 Hz, and the number of cycles. We're supposed to find the time at which these 500 cycles are going to be completed. So I have to find t. First, what I have to do, I have to realize that I have given frequency. I need time. That's why I'm going to find period of this waveform. Period is equal 1 over f. Is equal 1 divided by 65 Hertz is equal 15.38 milliseconds. This is the period of this wave. Next, I have to find the time which is required to finish 500 cycles. This is the time to finish one cycle. So what I have to do, in order to find t, I have to multiply 500 cycles times the period. That's why I'm going to have 500 times 15.38 milliseconds. And this is equal 7.69 seconds. This is the solution to my problem.